In this video, we're challenging former #1 Matthias Bo to a game of doubles.
This year, they've won a thrilling final. Matthias Bo and Carsten Morgensen.
If I win, I will become former #1. And if you win, people beat us, we give them the YouTube channel. But I'm not feeling too confident here. Can you give us a lead?
No.
Oh, shit.
I haven't played a doubles in many years.
I haven't played longer than you. Give us 2 points. 2 points out of 11.
Okay.
Okay, let's do it.
Keep watching because this is the first time I am challenging a literal world champion. And if I beat him, I might give away a $500 rack.
The tactic is attack on Aylex only. He's not in shape. We're gonna make him tired. That's the tactic.
One thing I think we're gonna struggle with is the change of pace. We're gonna get controlled a lot if we play too hard. But if we play control, we also lose. Yeah, maybe we need to move them more up. Yeah. Okay, let's do it. All right. Oh. Like
that was lucky. Watch out!
Hey, open. And let's lock this committee. Go, go, go. What the hell is that? Oi! 2!
Forward, forward.
Go, go, you, follow. Hey! Let's go.
Nice. Wow, nice.
Out? Out. In? Is it in? we want to cheat? No. This is 5-3, 5-3.
Wow, they're stealing this one. Whoa.
We're taking it. We'll take it. Good position. Okay, good shot.
Whoa!
2!
Let's go!
Come on, nice. Two! Good net, let's go! We're gonna get the title. Start. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Nice. Control. Nice.
Just.
Wow.
Out!
Oh!
Woo!
6-7?
6-7.
Damn. Wow. Deception, my bad, sorry. Ooh.
Guys.
Damn, that's a replay there. Okay, let's go. What do we need to do?
Umpire.
Straight rush or no rush?
What is this?
Okay.
Did they change the rules or what?
Yeah, this is YouTube Badminton. We make the
Wow,
rules.
YouTube Badminton.
2! It worked. Good strategy. Nice. Out! 2! Let's go. Good net. Oh, what the? That's holy shit.
Come on.
Sorry.
Ein. Let's go!
Good try, good try. Nice. Okay, let's go. Out. Two. Deuce. Sorry. Ooh, so close. Good shot. Oh.
Oi!
Okay, let's go. Okay. Second set. Strategy. If you enjoyed watching these videos so far, all we ask is for you to like, comment, subscribe, and also share these videos with your friends so that we can do better and make more videos like this for you. Their attack is still decent, especially Matthias' variation. So we should probably still move them. Yeah, move them faster.
If I game attack, it's easy.
Yeah. Yeah, so we need to move them around, not give them an easy one. Okay.
I think it's good. We keep the attack, then most of the points we score. Try and slow down the defense so we are in balance and we can play with that control. You had one cross shot from the defense that was just nice and smooth. Yeah, it's about this slowing it down because that's often what is most efficient. We don't always want to play fast. If we're in balance, we can play fast. But if we're not in balance, we can play these soft, smooth shots so we avoid making mistakes.
Okay, second set we get 4 points.
3.
3 or 4? 4. 4. Okay.
Yes.
Go.
Yes.
Ooh. We can't play too passive too. We still have to move, yeah. 1, 4.
1, 4.
1.
Yeah.
Oh, wow,
nice.
on the line. I think it's in. Two. Let's go.
Yeah. 5-2. Oi.
Ready? Come. 2. Let's go. Holy. Get ready. I think our serve too predictable. We need control and serve timing.
Instant replay. The toe!
Sorry. My bad. My bad. Oi. Obvious. Good serving to see. Obvious. Oh! Your hand is... Okay. 7-0. You. Oh shit.
Deception.
That was too good. Let's go.
But,
Oi. Easy. My bad. Good. Nice. Oh my god. Oh, my bad. Okay. Thank you.
let's do takeaways from the match.
Yes, let's do a takeaway. Okay, so we'll go first.
Yeah.
I mean, I feel like whenever we moved you guys, it was good. Because you also left right hand, you have no coordination. But one thing we get getting trapped in is your front court, back court. You keep touching, but we keep giving it to you and we don't convert it.
Yeah, so I've seen the biggest difference is actually involving around the service receiving, which we're also covering in a video. We get most of the attacks. Like a few times I'm catching third shot, as it said, like if you count, service is 1, your receiving is 2, and then third shot is third shot. That third shot is very important. As soon as I can keep that under the tape, it sets up the attacking situation, and then we can come in for the kill. So here in the second set, I covered a little bit more, caught a little bit more, had a few deception shots also on the returning, and then that put a lot of stress on you, and you were just like thinking just to try and defend, didn't even play with a plan as such.
Yes.
Yeah, you were trying to do a plan, but you couldn't execute on it because you got out of the first 4 by lifting.
Right, makes a lot of sense. Well, right now, the Badminton channel is yours. But, hey, I'm going to challenge you again to win it
Yes,
back.
we'll set it up again.
Okay, all right, let's do it.
All right, thanks guys.
See you guys in the next video.